What's up YouTube? This is the Internet Income Ninja doing the work, putting the effort in, putting in the time so that you can make money online. See what I did there? Thank you so much for stopping by this channel. Thanks for clicking on this video, and I just want to invite you to help this channel grow and help you put yourself at the head of the line by subscribing, hitting the notification bell, liking the video, commenting on it, and sharing it with everyone. And I mentioned putting you at the head of the line. When you share, when you subscribe, when you comment, when you hit the notification bell, what you're doing is putting yourself in prime position to be able to get this information first. When I say get it first, when you hear the notification bell, you know that money making knowledge is being dropped. So without the notification bell, without the subscription, videos will come out, you won't know, and then these money making opportunities, for example, this opportunity that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, it will be gone because somebody else will be there first. Okay? Competition is international. It's not just you, it's not just the people on your street, it's not just the people in your city, it's not just the people in your country. You're now looking at everybody in 20, 30, 40 different countries around the world are competing for the same job. And this job is the same thing. You will be a freelance resume writer at Talent Inc. Okay? It's completely freelance, completely international, but it is part-time. So if you are a writer and you are interested in a role like this, I suggest you act fast. Okay? So again, it's international. You work anywhere, or you work from anywhere. It's 100% remote, freelance, part-time. Now, about Talent Inc., it's sprinkled throughout the world, and their writers are rooted in a passion for empowering others. Whether it means editing cover letters, beachside, or formatting resumes from the comfort of home, writing for Talent Inc. provides a unique opportunity to work from any spot on the globe while maintaining a stable and rewarding job. We approach our work with radical empathy and expect all of our teammates, from customer care to design, to do the same. Our dream writer is a thorough, compassionate, and independent individual with an eye for detail and big heart for helping others. So a bit about this role. You have ultimate flexibility for those looking for a great side gig. Work as much or as little as you'd like. Create your own schedule with a minimum of 3 completed orders per month. So that's a minimum of 3 orders. Okay? They say work whenever you want to, but you need to have a minimum of 3 orders, completed orders per month. Okay? So navigate our platform around the clock, designed by writers for writers, to communicate with clients, writer support staff, and find any and all resources you may need to be successful. Flexible method to supplement your income. Our average writer earns $900 to $950 per month. Okay? Remember, this is part-time. Cool? Now, a bit about you. If you are seeking a flexible part-time job, you enjoy helping others feel empowered and confident in their achievements, you have 3+ years experience with business terminology, strong communication skills with an exceptional eye for detail, adaptable self-starter with superb time management and organization skills, Microsoft Office proficient, meaning you're able to do tables, styles, paragraph spacing, colors, etc. So a few benefits and perks of this role: endless flexibility with on-demand access to projects to accommodate a remote part-time work environment, support from our global community of editors, writers, and customer care professionals through our custom-made platform. So they have their own platform that you will be able to navigate, find jobs, complete jobs, upload jobs, and get paid through. So my guess is you'll get paid through PayPal or maybe direct deposit to your bank account and similar payment gateways. Lastly, you will have access to industry-leading writing tools and services, including resume and cover letter templates, style guides, email templates, and more. So if you're a writer and you have a knack for more job-based stuff, kind of similar to HR. You can talk your way into a job. You can help someone feel good about their accomplishments. You can help people with accomplishments who think they don't have accomplishments put together a solid resume and cover letter. Then this job, this part-time job, this international part-time job, this remote international part-time job where you can work from the beach or anywhere else with internet connection, is for you. Earn up to $950. Hey, you never know. That was the average. You could be extraordinary because you're an internet income ninja. You could push it to 1,000 something plus per month, even working part-time. So you want something like this to do on the side? Click apply for this job. Check out the company by clicking this link. Use this information to wow them in the interview. It didn't say that they were looking for a set number of writers, so you have a good shot with this one, because it seems that they'll actually take quite a few at once and will continuously do so as people opt in and opt out of working for them. Plus, it's part-time, so there are people who are doing just the bare minimum, and then there's people on the other end of the spectrum who are doing all out as well as in between. And I'm sure depending on how many jobs come in, they'll always want someone to do the in-betweenies. So guys, check out this website, see what you can glean from it. Hit the apply button, apply for this job. If you don't want this particular role, feel free to share it with someone. Share this video. Just share the link. It will share the video. It will share the link to the job. It will share my lovely voice explaining what this job entails. It will also share me telling you to check the links in the description below to try Canva for free to be able to put together your email and resume. Sorry, your resume and your cover letters. If this job requires a cover letter. In fact, let's just do this real quickly. Hit apply. You'll see a site pop up where you enter certain fields. Okay. First name, last name, email address, phone address, resume, cover letter. Answer those questions and you submit an application. So in this case, you are not required to submit. It doesn't seem, well, you are actually. You will attach your resume here and copy and paste your cover letter here. Just the words. Okay? I actually overlooked that just now, meaning I scrolled past and didn't realize. But yes, you will have to attach a resume and copy and paste your cover letter for this field in order to apply. Alright, so check the link in the description to Canva. You can sign up. It's free. But if you are actually not a writer and you just clicked on this because you know of a writer and you wanted to share this lead with them, you can check the other links in the description for ways to earn money online by starting your own online business. Enter your information. You will be taken to videos that will explain how it works in a nutshell and will give you the opportunity to choose to go ahead or not. It's all up to you. But I think making money online is one of the easiest, most effective ways currently to start a business and be on your way to financial freedom. Guys, thanks so much for your time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Continue to stay safe. Like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.